Hey there, Steve from System Code. Again, another tutorial for you today. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set up access from within Windows to get to our Raspberry Pi files so we can begin to do things like change the HTML files to get rid of that default Apache page. All right, let's get into it. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to WinSCP. Okay, you're going to go ahead and click download. Once that's downloaded, go ahead and install it. So what I do is I just leave everything as default, and then I'll go ahead and install. We're going to launch it. Okay, and then this is your screen the minute you go ahead and launch it. So you're going to enter the host name, which is the IP address to your Raspberry Pi. The port number is 22. Go ahead and enter your username and password. When you first access it, it's going to ask you if you want to add its host key to the cache. Just hit accept on that. So this right here on the right is going to be your Raspberry Pi device. You don't see anything here. However, if you go to root, it'll be listed right here, all your files. So if we go to var, www, we can begin to change those HTML files and get you a new index page so you're no longer using that Apache default page. And that's it. So go ahead and like, subscribe, follow. Let me know what other tutorials you guys would like to see. I got more to come. Thank you.